In today's guide, you'll learn how to connect your Calendly account to your LinkedIn profile so people can easily book meetings with you. This makes networking smoother and eliminates the usual back and forth when scheduling calls. To begin, log in to your Calendly account. You'll need access to your dashboard to complete the setup. Once you're signed in, open your LinkedIn profile in a separate browser tab so you can quickly switch between the two platforms. Now, return to your Calendly dashboard. Look for the Integrations and Apps section. This area allows you to connect Calendly with other tools and platforms. Inside that section, find Extensions and Apps. Here, you'll see different browser integrations available. Locate LinkedIn Messaging and select the option to download it for Google Chrome. Click Add to Chrome, and when prompted, choose Add Extension to confirm. Your browser may take a moment to complete the installation. Once installed successfully, you'll see a confirmation notification. This means the integration is active, and your Calendly link will now appear within LinkedIn Messaging, allowing you to quickly share your scheduling link directly in conversations. And that's it! Your Calendly link is now integrated with LinkedIn, making it easier for your connections to book time with you. If this guide helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you in the next one.